Shri Ram College of Commerce, established in 1926 and located in Delhi, has received an overall rating of 4.5 on Shiksha.com. Let's take a closer look at the BA Honours program offered here, starting with the placements, which are rated 4.6 stars. According to the NIRF 2024, 936 students graduated from the 3-year UG program in 2022-23, with 530 securing placements and 402 opting for higher studies. The placement rate was 57% in 2023, reflecting a dynamic trend over the years. The median salary offered stood at 8 lakh per annum, showing a significant increase from 2021. Notable recruiters included HUL, Bank of America, Deloitte, DE Shaw, with roles such as finance analyst and risk manager. The highest salary offered in 2023-24 was 35 lakh per annum. Compared to another DU college like Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College, the median salary offered at Shri Ram College of Commerce is significantly higher. Speaking of internships, 115 plus offers were made, with the highest stipend offered at 3.67 lakh per annum in 2023-24. Students know that opportunities were offered with Deloitte, HUL, Bank of America and McKinsey. Shifting our focus to academics, with the BA Honours program at SRCC is rated 4.6 stars and is a 3-year undergraduate program designed by the Department of Economics, University of Delhi. It offers specialization in economics. Admission is based on the scores obtained on CUET UG. The 3-year program fees is 88,000 rupees, with hostel fees at 1.74 lakhs. Scholarships like the Abhas Hajela Memorial and Envision scholarships, along with financial aid and earn while you learn opportunities, are offered. Now let's take a look at the infrastructure, rated 4.3 stars. SRCC originally started operating in a bungalow in Daryaganj until 1951 and now operates from a 16-acre campus in DU's North Campus. It offers Wi-Fi enabled spaces, air-conditioned ICT classrooms, a seminar room and sports facilities. The boys' hostel has 170 rooms, while the girls' hostel accommodates 53. The campus also includes an auditorium, tutorial rooms, mess and canteen with hygienic healthy meals. Now turning our attention to faculty and course, rated 4.4 stars. SRCC faculty members are highly qualified, with some of them holding PhDs. Students appreciate the teaching quality and supportiveness. The minimum attendance requirement is of 75%, with a passing percentage of 63%. SRCC collaborates with prestigious institutions like NYU, the University of Melbourne and Columbia University, paving the way for enhanced exposure through workshops, conferences, visits and excursions. Switching gears to the 4.5-star rated Campus Life. Campus Life features cultural, academic, social entrepreneurship and service societies. Major events include the annual cultural festival, Crossroads, seminars and the national colloquiums. Lastly, Shri Ram College of Commerce holds the 19th position in the NIRF 2024 college category. For more details on Shri Ram College of Commerce, located in Delhi, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.